Property management requires efficiency, precision, and seamless operations to meet the needs of residents and communities. Amenify, the largest home services technology platform, integrates artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize operations, enhance resident satisfaction, and support property managers in delivering exceptional results. Our AI-powered dispatch engine balances real-time demand and supply, ensuring timely and efficient service allocation. Advanced route optimization further reduces delays, streamlining operations for property managers and enhancing the resident experience. With machine learning, Amenify delivers personalized service recommendations based on resident preferences. Dynamic pricing models adapt to real-time factors like demand and service size, ensuring transparency and operational efficiency. Our AI systems identify and prevent fraudulent activities, safeguarding platform integrity. Open AI-powered support tools assist in resolving inquiries faster and more accurately, improving satisfaction for both property managers and residents. Team Amenify uses AI tools for tasks such as data analysis, content creation, and process improvement, allowing teams to focus on strategic initiatives and boosting overall productivity. The impact is clear: a 35% increase in daily service completions, 15% faster query resolutions, and reduced fraud. With AI ML, Amenify drives measurable outcomes, supporting property managers and enhancing community services. Amenify continues to refine AI-driven solutions to meet the evolving needs of property managers and residents, ensuring smarter, more efficient operations for the future of property management. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates and see you in the next video.